Hi everyone, today we are going to make tilapia. It's a simple curry. This is the way how my mom makes it. It has a simple fish broth, a simple curry that's always reminds you of home, and on a sick day that would be a very nice soup. Not really soup, but curry to have with rice. It goes well with fish on bone and without bone, and I have 2 fillets of tilapia fish and we're making it for 3, which I've cut into smaller pieces. I'll now proceed to the cooking process. This fish curry has a very homely touch to it. It reminds me of mom or of a sick day when there's somebody to take care of you. So this is a tablespoon to beginning the cooking process. I have used a tablespoon of olive oil, and I've added 1 big finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So I'm going to saute it until it turns slightly pink. And then add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to use a big tomato that I'm going to blend, just to give you an idea of what tomato I'm going to use. This is the tomato I'm going to use, and if you don't have a big tomato, then 2 small ones will do. I have ended up blending 1.5 tomato. So I added half tomato to it, and you can blend about 1.5 tomato to 2 small ones for this dish. Tomatoes here. And this is what my onions look like at this point of time, and I am going to begin adding the blended tomato to it at this point, where things start going slightly gold. To my onions I added to my tomatoes, which are about 1.5 blended tomatoes, I've added 2 green chilies, and these green chilies are to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Give everything a good mix. And start adding the dry spices, which are salt, paprika, and turmeric. Everything is cooking on medium heat at this point. So I added half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And give it all a nice mix, and wait until the oil separates. As you can see, my oil is now separating and the masala is completely cooked through. So I am going to add 2 cups of water to it to give it the broth or gravy for this curry. At this point of time, you are going to adjust the seasoning. I've added some more salt to my gravy, and I also added half cup more. So in total I used 2.5 cups of water. So I'll wait for it to boil, and then I start adding my fish. As you can see, my gravy has started boiling, and I'm going to add the cilantro first, because I will not be able to add or move things around once the fish has been added to it, because I don't want to break the fish. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. These are good 2 tablespoons of cilantro to this curry, and mix it so that all the flavors infuse well. So now that the gravy has started boiling, I start adding the pieces of fish, and I'm going to add all the fish and make sure that they don't really touch one another. They're all over the pan, and so I suggest you use a broad pan for this. And these are 2 fillets of fish. Now don't do what I did. I have been doing this for a long time, so I can afford to get up close and personal with the fish. You might want to use a tong. Yeah. So in goes the fish, and now I'm going to cover it up with a lid. It will cook 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other, and I will take the heat to medium low. Actually low, not very low, but slightly over low. Medium low would be fine. So we'll cook it on medium low for 10 minutes on both sides, on first side and then 10 minutes on the other. So if you can see, this is what this dish looks like in 10 minutes. And now I'm going to gently turn all the fish around using tongs. So gently. The fish is very, very flaky, and that's okay. If it breaks, it breaks. Yeah, but try not to break it if you can. Okay, I have gently turned all my fish around, and now I'm going to let it cook for another 10 minutes on the other side. I'll cook it covered like this on medium low, and then wait for 10 minutes. Here's my fish curry. It is wonderful. And thank you, Mom, for this beautiful recipe of yours. And it makes a great quick fix meal. I mean, it cooks within half an hour. You have this with rice and some salad, and you have a meal for a family, a nice enjoyable meal. So I'm going to serve everything, plate everything up, and show you how it looks like. Do like, subscribe, and share this recipe, and join our channel. Thanks for watching. See you later. And I will just show you what it looks like once I put it in a serving bowl. My fish curry is ready to serve, and serving it alongside with some rice and some salad. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.